Why do 80% of students get confused between flatmates and roommates? Let's clear it up. So you're moving out and need to find someone to share the rent. In the UK, you'd call this person your flatmate. Over in the US, they're your roommate. But here's the fun part. It doesn't mean you're sharing a bedroom. Both terms simply mean you're sharing a living space, like an apartment or a house. Think of it this way. Imagine you're living in a house with someone else. That person is your flatmate, because you both share the same living space. Easy, right? So next time, if you're splitting rent with someone or looking for a new buddy to share your apartment, you're talking about a flatmate in the UK and a roommate in the US. Simple as that. Now go impress your friends with your new vocabulary skills. Remember, it's all about the space you share, not the room. Happy house hunting.